Posting every single day as an editor sounds like a perfect strategy. Spoiler, it wasn't. At start of the year, I set myself a 60-day challenge to post every single day. No excuse. Wake up, record, edit, upload, and repeat. My logic was pretty simple. The more content you put out, the more chances you get to be seen, and hence you can land more clients. That's what I believed, at least. After 60 days, I had a lot of videos, a lot of fatigue, but not the result I was hoping for. Did I get clients? Absolutely. Were they the kinds of clients that I want to work? Hell no. Mostly one-off projects, one-off edits, low-budget projects, people who just wanted a quick reaction clip. Nothing stable, nothing long-term. There was one real opportunity, a $3,000 per month client, but I screwed it up. Not because of my editing skills, because of my communication skills. I overimagined situations that never exist, overcomplicated things and let it slip away. So even from 60 days of posting content, I didn't land a single high-ticket client. So the question is, why do I keep going? Because my goal has slowly changed. What started as a challenge to get a client turned into a challenge to get comfortable on camera. For me as an introvert, talking to people or talking to mic was hard. But talking to camera was the hardest thing in the world. Something inside me kept saying, if you really want to grow, you have to prove yourself. Become someone you are not ready to be yet. So I didn't stop. Even when the returns are low, I kept pushing. Every upload was a small win for me. And then something weird happened. After I stopped the daily grind and only posted when I felt it was actually worth it, I landed a client from a single reel. Yes, from a single reel, not 60. So you may be wondering, like, what's the difference between the single reel and all those 60 reels? The difference was intention. For that one video, I spent 2 to 3 hours on research and scripting. I didn't just wing it. I thought about the story, the hook, the pacing, the storytelling, and the message I wanted the viewer to leave with. Every frame, every zoom, every graphic, even the color grade was intentional. Nothing was random in that clip. It was planned, executed, and delivered with a clear goal. And that's what the client saw. He didn't just see an editor. He saw someone who knew what they were doing. Someone who has done their homework, knew how to structure the content, and could communicate with a clear vision. We talked, we signed the deal within a day. So this hit me hard. Posting every day doesn't get you clients. Posting with intention does. From beginners, amateurs, expert, agencies, everyone is posting. If you're just throwing your edits to a wall, you are just another drop in the ocean. To stand out, you need a USP. Without it, you are like a star in the sky. Bright, but blending in with millions of others. So, what's the solution, you may ask? I am still figuring that out. But one thing I firmly believe now is this. Posting is good. Posting random crap is not. Not every edit deserves a prime spot in your feed. A lot of work is limited either by client's budget, client's restrictions, or simply the outcome of the video. That kind of work doesn't really represent what truly you are capable of. A better move, you may ask your client this. If you can use their raw footages to create your own version for your page. If they are okay with that, you gain both experience and a portfolio piece. If they don't pay you for your raw usage, then you have more freedom to repurpose your own work for your own business. Also, if you are just starting out, don't lean too hard on podcast clips. They are easy to use, but they can actually hurt your positioning. You want people to see you as an editor, not just someone who slaps B-rolls on someone else's audio. A ton of editors post random shit online and blame it on algorithms. But the algorithm simply just don't care. Algorithm only cares about engagement, and engagement comes from the quality of edits you do. And you can't consistently create high quality works if you are forcing yourself to create high quality works daily without the skill, without the system, or without the mental space to support it. You're gonna burn out. How did I get the idea to create this video? This video actually came from a reel I was recording for Instagram. As I am writing it, the whole idea clicked for me. I should expand this into a YouTube video to share my full perspective on this. If you disagree with me, I would genuinely love to hear your side in the comments. I don't get many comments till now, so if you comment, there's a high chance that I will reply to it. And if you don't, that's totally fine too. I will see you in the next video. Until then, ace out.